Hi there, and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of slouching, back pain, or just feeling unconfident because of your posture? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to fix your body posture with simple exercises and daily habits that you can start right now. First, let's talk about why good posture is so important. A healthy posture isn't just about looking good. It improves your breathing, reduces aches, and even helps you feel more confident. So let's get started. Here are 3 quick exercises to improve your posture. Wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly raise and lower your arms like you're making snow angels. This strengthens your upper back and shoulders. Plank holds. Hold a plank position for 30 seconds to a minute. This builds core strength, which is essential for good posture. Cat-cow stretch. Get on all fours, arch your back upwards like a cat, then dip it downwards like a cow. This stretches your spine and improves flexibility. Now let's talk about daily habits. Sit smart. Always sit with your feet flat on the ground and your back supported. Stand tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Move often. Avoid staying in the same position for too long. Take breaks every hour to stretch or walk. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Improving your posture takes time, but with consistency, you'll start to feel the benefits in no time. Keep practicing and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more tips and comment below with your favorite posture tip. See you in the next video.